Hello my friend, my name is Andre Mik. I am a professional singer with a classical background and I am here to teach you how to sing good. Why am I so sure that I can help you? That's because I learned how to sing from zero and went through the whole path by myself. So let me please sing a small fragment for you so you can hear that I really know how to sing and I can really teach you how to sing the same way. I faced it all and I stood tall and did it my way. If you enjoy it, please watch this video till the end, give it a like, hit subscribe and bell not to miss new videos and your chance to sing better. Let's go! First method. To relax your throat, you first need to understand how breathing works during singing and why your throat gets tense. The sound of your voice should be created by the airflow passing through your vocal cords. If this doesn't happen, the sound comes from tension in the vocal cords and other throat muscles. And that leads to vocal wear, tiredness and sometimes a feeling like your voice just wants a vacation. So how do we create that airflow without using the throat? Exercise 1. Feel breath support. Close your mouth and try to blow out air strongly through your mouth. You will feel tension in the lower belly. That is your breath support. These lower belly muscles push upward on the diaphragm and press the air out of the lungs, so it can make your vocal cords vibrate. Exercise 2. Say sharp ah, like ah, ah. Now say soft ah, ah. The first one didn't let the air through, and the second one did. We need to let the air through, so the support has something to work with. To learn this, sing simple vocal exercises on any vowel, but add a little h sound at the beginning, like ha 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 ha, or ha he he ha ha he ha ha. Something like this. The second method. Bring your voice forward. If your voice sits in the back and you project it backwards, singing becomes much harder. The airflow gets blocked. Clean singing becomes almost impossible. Your tone becomes unnatural and your voice loses power and clarity. Example of a back voice. And now the end is near. Example of a forward voice. And now the end is near. So how do we bring the voice forward? First, imagine it. You need to imagine it forward, not back. It needs to sit here. The second, sing exercises with vowels that naturally move the sound forward. These vowels are E and E. Exercise to bring the voice forward. Option 1. A simple vocal warm-up on E sound, like E. But please don't overuse it. E is a very narrow vowel and it can bring your voice forward, but it can also make it tight if you use it too much. So another option is mixing several vowels, like E, E, E. Here we start with E, and the top note is also E, and we finish with E. So it's like controlling that your sound stays forward. Another great exercise is singing well or mnie, like well, 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 well. If you sing it, you can immediately hear that your voice goes here. The third method. Your diction should not involve the throat muscles. You need to learn how to pronounce vowels without using the throat. This is not easy because you can't hear yourself objectively. Examples of throat diction. O, I, O, U. Example of correct diction. A, I, O, U. So it's important to learn to sing clear vowels. Sometimes on high notes we mix vowels together and that's okay, but they still shouldn't be made with the throat. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, write a comment and hit subscribe and bell not to miss new videos and your chance to sing better. If you want to support channel, you can become a sponsor by clicking join under this video. I am Andre Mik, thank you for watching, see you in the next videos, bye.